Hi everybody and welcome to Off the Ramp, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at how to create milestones in Proco and the calendar as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we'll navigate over to Proco by using the main menu, and we'll click on Proco here. And then to create a milestone, we'll go over to the milestone pages where you'll see all the milestones that are created for you or assigned to you. And then what you'll do is you'll create a new milestone over there. You can name it. So you can say, excuse my phone. Give it a description, have the start date, the end date, and then we can select what tasks are blocking it, select the previous task that we created, and assign it to a project as well. And we will create the milestone, and bam, we have our milestone. And you can simply have it completed by clicking over here. You can also edit your milestone over there, and if you don't want to delete it using this button here, you can then archive it and you can view it as well later in your archives. If you also want to create a task for your milestone, then you can also do that by simply clicking over here, and then you can go through the process as I've shown you in the previous video of creating your tasks as well. So that is how you create your milestone. Now, to show you a calendar so you can see how all of these tracked onto your calendar. And now you can see over here, these are the two tasks that we have created in our previous video. And the beauty of it is, if you want to see how you're doing, what you have busy for your week, you can always come to your calendar and you can use the actual filters there to filter by project, filter by team, assignee, and so certain other things here as to what's in progress, what is not completed, and what is on hold. A very nice way to actually manage your team and the projects that you also have, just to get a wide overview of what you're doing as well. And then you can also organize it in weeks, to just the day or the month. This is a monthly view. And now moving on to the calendar. If you need to move things around, you can of course just put your mouse over it. Once the mouse pointer turns into a hand, click, hold, and you can drag over a few couple of days that you want to move that actual task to. And then the other thing is, you can easily actually get to your task over here by simply double clicking, and it will take you to that actual task as well. We can go back to the calendar view over here, and you'll see also the milestone that we also put in here. It will come in a block black, but once you hover your mouse over it, you can see exactly like, okay, this is the actual details of that milestone. So yeah, that is the calendar view. Very nice tool to use if you want to just get a nice overview of what exactly you have going on in your studio, in your production, in your projects as well. So thank you very much, and I will see you guys in the next video.